Retail investors have bought $100 billion of assets over the last month. It's a record. The last time we kind of saw that was Liberation Day sell-off, that big surge immediately kind of coming back. But again, a very large increase in just this demand for equities. And it's very reminiscent of what we saw in 2020. And that's kind of the head scratcher a little bit. Hey, I get 2020, 2021. We were sending checks to households. There was nothing else to do. You had nothing to spend money on. So people started throwing money into the markets and speculating, but they were getting money from the government. We don't have that now. We talk about these consumer indicators that are showing savings rates are dropping, consumer credit delinquency rising, yet money's flowing into the markets. Yes, a lot of that's coming from margin debt. We have a record level of margin debt right now. Margin debt as a percentage of the Russell 3000 market cap is rising sharply back to levels normally seen near market peaks. But again, it's just the function of the bull market. It's just absorbing money right now into the market. And that's keeping markets elevated. Having said that though, yesterday did have a little bit of a down day. Nothing major, but it is very interesting. A lot of speculative push right now, lots of bullish sentiment, nothing wrong with that. And of course, as we've talked about before, it's across all asset classes. We're seeing it in stocks, emerging markets, international markets, saw it in Bitcoin, record highs, gold hit 4,000 yesterday. So everybody's very excited right now. That just feeds that bullish sentiment and drags more and more money into those asset classes. At the end of the day, it's just simply speculation in the asset. It's people chasing the asset price higher, and that's fine. Bull markets can last for a very long time, but it is just a very interesting thing that we've got going on too, because we don't have that environment in 2020 of liquidity, yet we have liquidity coming in from every possible source that we can figure out. It's a very interesting dynamic in the markets, but also very common to bullish markets that kind of tend to lead towards melt-ups eventually. Catch me daily on The Real Investment Show. The link is in the description.